गोहर गद गद अद्वाच जाच निपत्य भुवि दंडवदर्भटार्थे हर्ष प्रसाद ममदस्य जनस्य कृत्वा गंधर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदे अंगश्यामलवि छटा मुंदे कितेन्द्रे वरं जड्डं जाचु गुरुरुचिसं पट्टं वरसश्रिया बिन्दानुनिवासनिधुल सद्दामदि दामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशलोज्जलो भुजं ध्येयं सुदामोदरम् तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विज्ञाय ते राधे तं नयामि चरणान्तिके तवे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. First of all, offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my spiritual master Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavaman Goswami Maharaj and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, offer my innumerable Dandavat Pranam, Lotus Feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruvanda Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So today is very super excellent, auspicious day, the appearance day of Nityananda Prabhu, which are direct manifestation of Baladev Prabhu. That means in Kali Yuga, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna, he appeared, and same way Baladev Prabhu, he appeared in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. Because in our scriptures very clearly explain Krishna Varnam Tisa Krishnam Sango Pangastra Parshanadam Jaggai Sankirtana Prare Jajanti Hi Sru Medhosa. Those who are very intelligent and sober person, they will worship to Krishna in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. In Srimad Bhagavatam 11th canto, the conversation between 9 rishis and Nav Navajagendra and in this conversation also explain in this Kali Yuga Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he will be appear and Krishna Varnam. How will know Krishna? He has come in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. So Srimad Bhagavatam clearly explain Krishna Varnam Tisa Krishnam Sango Pango Astra Parshadam. A Krishna who chants his holy names and Krishna Varnadhyam Ratati Jasa Iti Krishna Varnadhyam. Krish and No. Krish, there are two syllables there. Karsati Akarshati, who attracts to the all the people and purifies the heart of the living entities. Arnascha Nibritta Bachaka Prema Dadati iti Krishna. That means Krishna, he cleaned the heart of all the living entities and gives the prem in their heart. So in Navajagendra Sangvad, the conversation between nine rishis um, and um, Nemi Maharaj. Um, so Krishna, he appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaudhari. And Krishna Varnadya Ratati. I mean, Krishna, he chants his own holy names. And or Tisa or Krishna, his complexion is not blackish. That is, Krishna means face complexion. That is called Gaur Varna. Shango Pango Astradam, and he appears with his own and associates, Parikar. And that is called Parshad, that is called Gadadhar Pandit, that means Srimati Radhika. She comes um, with Krishna in the form of Gadadhar Pandit and also Rupamajan and others. And Krishna also has come in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari and the two limbs, that is called Nityananda Prabhu and Advaita Acharya. And saplings, that's Upanga, they call Narad Rishi, who appeared in the form of Srivas Thakur. And so Krishna Varnam Tisakran Sango Pangastra Parsdam Jaggai Sankirtanam, and he performed the Nam Sankirtan Jagga, because in this Kali Yuga there are no any kinds of process to attain to Lord. So Nam Sankirtan, Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Namaiva Kevalam, Kalu Nastiva Nastiva Gatirannatha. And other incarnation of Lord, they hold the different kinds of weapons. And Ramadi Avatare Krodhinana Astra Dhare, Eve Astra Natharila Pranikaro Namarila Harinam Diya Korila Udhar. In the incarnation of Krishna, Krishna Avatar, in the incarnation of Ram, Ram Avatar, they hold the different types of weapons. That is Krishna, he hold Sudarshan Chakra and he killed the many demons. And Ramchandra, he also killed many demons and such as Ravan, Kumbhakarna, etc. But in this Kali Yuga, same Krishna has come in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. He promised he would not to hold any kinds of weapon, but he's in this Kali Yuga that weapon, Astra, that is called Namastra. In this weapon of holy names, and he purified the heart of the living entities. Because in this Kali Yuga, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu promised that I will not kill to anybody, but I will have to clean their heart with Nam Sankirtan. So Nam Adi Avatari Krodinana Astra Dhari, Ebe Astra Nadharila Prane Karunamurila Harinam Diya Korila Udhar. And so now coming in this way, Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda Tattva, that is called Baladev Tattva. Baladev Tattva, that is called Akhanda Guru Tattva, undivided Guru Pad Padma. And Baladev, his name is called Baladeva. Bal means Shakti, power, potency. And our Shastra also explain Bala Hinana Labha will not perform anything. And so Bala Hineno, internet camera. Some problem, Haribol.
No, no, Gurudev, no problem. You can continue.
Okay. Bala hinena labha. Ball. How is it called? Ball means potency, power. That is called and chid ball. And so the transcendental potency or transcendental power coming from Baladev Prabhu. And so Baladev Prabhu is the presiding deities of Sandhini, Sandhini Shakti, Adhisthatri Devata. So without this mercy of Baladev Prabhu, no one can attain to transcendental world. That could need Chidbal. This Chidbal, transcendental power coming from Baladev Prabhu. And so Bala Hinana Labha. So without Chidbal, no one can attain to transcendental world. So Baladev Prabhu, he will give the mercy. And he's got Deva, Devati Kridati Deva. That means who always performing sweet Leela in the heart of all the living entities. For this regard, his name is called Baladeva. And also his name is Ram. Ram means Ramayati Ramo. He also attracts to the all the living entities towards him. For this regard, he is called Ram, Ramayati Rama. And another his name, Baladev, another name is called Sankarshan. Sammak Rupene Karsariti Sankarshan. That means Baladev Prabhu. He appeared, first he appeared in the womb of Devaki. And in Srimad Bhagavatam, explain Devaki's 6 sons, that is called Sadagarbha. They also killed by Kongsa. And then Devaki, she also pregnant in seventh, and that time Jogmaya also took Baladev Prabhu from the womb of Devaki and placed on the womb of Rohini. So for this regard, his name is called Sankarshan. And so same Baladev Prabhu, he appeared in this Kaliyug, and that is called Nityananda Prabhu. And here also explain Baladev Tattva. First we little bit discuss about Garduksai, Josesas, Paivdasai, Sesascha Jasangsasa, Sesangsa, Kalasa, Nitta, Sankarsana Karaduksai. Garhuduksai, Chop Paivdisai, Sesascha Jasangsa Kalasa, Nityananda Karamam, Saranam Prapadde. And that means Baladev Prabhu, he manifests in five forms. Sankarshan, Karnaduksai, Garuduksai, and Paivdusai. And Sesangsa Karnaduksai Vishnu. And Baladev Prabhu, first Baladev Prabhu, then coming Sankarshan, Mul Sankarshan, then Karnaduksai, Garbuduksai, Kriduksai Vishnu. And so in this way, and Baladev Prabhu, first four forms, he also served to Krishna and with the Srishti Karja, how to create the material world. And his fifth form, and he also serves to Krishna. And here was Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, Sri Krishna Balaram Gosai Mul Sankarshan পঞ্চরূপ ধরি করে কৃষ্ণের সেবন আপনে করেন কৃষ্ণ লীলার সহায় সৃষ্টি কার্য করে ধরি চারিকায় শিষ্টাদি সেবা তার আজ্ঞায় পালন শেষ রূপে করে কৃষ্ণের বিবিধ সেবন সর্বরূপে আস্বাদে কৃষ্ণ সেবা আনন্দ সেই বলরাম গৌর সঙ্গে নিত্যানন্দ So Srishti Karja, the creation of this material world, and that is called Sankarshan, then Mul Sankarshan, then Karuduksai, Garbuduksai, Kriduksai Vishnu. And so Karuduksai Vishnu and or Garbhodaksai Vishnu and Kshirdoksai Vishnu. In this way, that means the Kardoksai Vishnu, he and just he gives his glance to the Maya, and then Maya she creates the innumerable living entities. Ikshan dara kare Maya Ikshan dara kare Sijan. And Ikshan means glance. And then in this way, Maya Devi secrets. Actual Maya she is called Jadama. Maya has no own power to creation. Srimad Bhagavad Gita Krishna says this way. Maya dakshina prakriti swate swacharacharam hetu anena kontya jagadvi parivartate. Krishna says Maya she has no power to creation. According to my guidance, Maya she creates to everything. That means Maya she creates according the power of Krishna. Um, so in the same way, Baladev Prabhu, he serves the Srishti Karja, creations, and Kardoksai, Garbhodaksai, and Kirdoksai Vishnu. And Kardoksai Vishnu is the presiding deities of all the what is called Brahmanda universes. Then Garbhodaksai Veni is the presiding that is of one Brahmanda universe. Or Kirdoksai Vishnu, Kshirdodaksai Vishnu, Paramatma, who is the presiding deities of one living entities. That means, and Kshirdodaksai Vishnu, he resides in the heart of all the living entities. And says Avatar, in says Avatar, and he also holds the he holds the innumerable Brahmanda with the form of Sesanath. And Baladev Prabhu, he also serves to Krishna with the different ways. Especially Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna in 10 ways. That is called Dasavidha Seva. Asan, Vasan, Bhusan, Padasevan, Paduka, etc. Even Krishna's seat, Baladev Prabhu himself. Dham, when all the material dham, Baladev Prabhu manifested. Even Krishna's cloth, Baladev Prabhu manifested in the form of cloth of Krishna. And Vastra Rupe Kare Sevan. And Chhatra means umbrella. Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna and in the form of umbrella. And when Krishna appeared in the jail of Kamsa from the womb of Devaki, and that time Krishna told to Vasudev Maharaj, as soon as possible, you also bring me in Gokul. That time Vasudev Maharaj, he brought to Krishna from the jail of Kamsa. And when he came out in the jail of Kamsa, that time Vasudev Maharaj saw so much heavy rain was coming. And then Vasudev Maharaj thinking how will cross Jamuna river. That time Jamuna river completely full and strong current. So thinking how will cross Jamuna. That time Vasudev Maharaj saw one jackal. She was crossing the Jamuna. Actually, Jogmaya, she manifested in the form of jackal and crossed the Jamuna. So Vasudev Maharaj, he followed to the behind the jackal, and that time heavy rain for this Baladev Prabhu, he manifested in the form of Sheshnag, the snake, and with his hood he protects to Krishna as like umbrella. So Krishna's umbrella also Baladev Prabhu, and even Krishna's cloth and also Baladev Prabhu. And in Srimad Bhagavatam also very clearly explained, the Bhishma Pitamaha, he promised, Krishna, he promised in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, he will not hold any weapons. Or Krishna, Bhishma Pitama, he promised, I must make hold the weapons in the hand of Krishna. So when the great the fight was going with Arjun and Bhishma Pitama, that time Arjun almost defeat. That time Krishna cannot to tolerate, because Krishna he promised my friend Arjun, he will be what is called Vijay Prapta karenge. He will be victory in the wind of the Kurukshetra. But Bhishma Pitamaha, he fared very terribly. He also shooted many kinds of weapons. Then Arjun almost defeated. That time Krishna could not tolerate, and Krishna jumped from the chariot, and he also hold and on the what is called the wheels of the chariot, and he was running towards Bhishma Pitamaha. And that time Arjun, he also jumped from the chariot and hold the lotus feet of Krishna. But in this context, our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad also explained, when Krishna, he was running towards Bhishma Pitamaha to kill, and that time Krishna's and her yellow garments fell down on the lotus feet of Krishna. So that the yellow garments, that is called Baladev Prabhu. Why? Because when Krishna became very angry and he was running and barefoot on the earth, that time almost earth would be what? And destroyed. So Baladev Prabhu, then in the form of the cloth of Krishna, and also hold the earth. So here also in this contest, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad and other commentary very clearly explain, and Krishna's garments, that is called Baladev Prabhu himself. And in this way, our Tattva Siddhanta explain this. And so now coming in this way, and here says, Ses Rupe Kare Krishna Vividha Sevan, Sarvurve Asadin Krishna Sevananda, Balaram Gauranga Sange Nityananda. Now same Baladev Prabhu, he appeared in Navadvip Dham in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. But here also explained in the Ram Lila, and Baladev Prabhu, he appeared in the form of Lakshman, and Krishna, he appeared in the form of Ramchandra. But that time Lakshman, he was the elder, what is called? Which brother? Younger brother. So younger brother have to follow all the instruction of his elder brother. So Lakshman, he also followed all the order of Ramchandra. But that was very difficult for him. And especially Ramchandra ordered to Lakshman, Lakshman, you have to banish to Sita Devi. So Lakshman, he knows Sita Devi has no any faults. But according to the instruction of Ramchandra, Lakshman, he also banished to Sita Devi and put in the ashram of Valmiki Rishi. This end. And also Lakshman, he carried all the instruction of Ramchandra when he was when he was exiled in the forest. And that time, and Bharat came, and when Bharat came, that time Lakshman became very angry, because Lakshman, he was thinking, if Bharat he has come, maybe he will kill Ramachandra. This also very nicely and elaborately explained in Valmiki Ramayana. And very nice, beautiful this Leela also there. But that time Bharat, Lakshman, he became very angry, and he took his bow and arrow and tried to kill to Bharat. But Ramchandra told, hey Lakshman, do you know Bharat is my heart and soul. Bharat cannot and to kill to me in this way. And that Leela also explained this way. And when Ramchandra he killed Ravan, then Bibhishan is the king of Lanka. Then Bibhishan he also and free to Sita Devi from the what is it called Asok Badika. Then Ramchandra he told to Sita Devi have to enter in the fire. That is called Sita Agni Pariksha. Yeah. Because Sita Devi she was alone staying in Asok Badika. So some people will be also suspect her character. For this regard, Ramchandra he told Lakshman, you have to arrange the fire, the Chitagni, and Sita Devi she have to enter in the fire. In this way, Sita Devi she have to give her Satitya. Satitya means chastity. That time Lakshman he became very angry. Lakshman he told, how possible Sita Devi she is unchaste. And that time Lakshman became very angry and he also and angry with Lakshman. Hey Lakshman the Ramchandra. Ramchandra also told, hey Lakshman, and please keep patient. Actually, I want to return back my origin Sita. Then Lakshman he asked, so what is mean origin Sita? This Sita is not origin Sita. Then Ramchandra told, no, this is not origin Sita. That is called which Sita? Chaya Sita, shadow Sita. And actually, this Katha also explained in Kurma Puran. Kurma Puran. And this Katha is very sweet. And when Ravan came in Dandakarana to kidnap Sita Devi, and that time Sita Devi she entered in the fire and attained to Kailas and she was staying with Parvati Devi. Actually, Ravan did not kidnap origin Sita. Ravan he kidnapped Chaya Sita. And so now Ramchandra he told, and I have to return back my origin Sita. And so this Chaya Sita, she entered in the forest. Then origin Sita, she came out from the fire. In this way, and our Acharya reconciled. Ye Ravan, he kidnapped uh, Sadhu Sita. So now coming in this way, Nityananda Tattva Baladev Prabhu. Um, why the Lakshman he appeared in Krishna Lila in the elder brother, because Lakshman that time he also promised, and if I will come with my brother, I will not come then his younger brother. I have to come in the form of Krishna's elder brother. So Baladev Prabhu he appeared in elder brother of Krishna. And same Baladev Prabhu, he appeared Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Leela in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu, he was born in Ekachakragram. And his father's name was Harai Mishra and mother's name Padmavati Devi. And so Nityananda Prabhu, he grew up in Ekachakragram, and then one sannyasi, Madhavendra Puripad, he came in his house, and then he was staying few days in the house of Harai Pandit. And that time and he told, and I will give some donation. That way you give donation to your son Nityananda. Lakshmipati Tirtha. Someone saying they are Lakshmipati Tirtha, someone saying Madhavendra Puri. This is the Matantar. They say not good. Anyhow, this is not our fault because he had written in there. Because that time you are not there, I was not there. Because Shastra is saying in this way, Matantar. Lakshmipati Tirtha or Madhavendra Puripad. Anyhow, so because Chaitanya Charita Anubhasa Bhakti Siddhanta Prabhupada also mentioned this. Is someone saying the Lakshmipati Tirtha came, or someone says Lakshmipati Tirtha. But some also saying Madhavendra Puripad. He offered to lotus feet of to him. Anyhow, now coming in this our subject matter, what did he say? Then Nityananda Prabhu, he traveled with Lakshmipati Tirtha or Madhavendra Puripad and all over the India. And then he came in Vrindavan. And then Nityananda Prabhu, he was staying alone in Vrindavan and completely absorbed in the mood of Baladev Prabhu. And sometime Nityananda Prabhu, he hold the plow on his shoulder. कभी कभी नित्यानंद प्रभु वो क्या बोलता है हल के जो है अपने कांध पर कंधे पर रख करके नित्यानंद की क्या बोले बलदेव प्रभु के भांति वो रहने लगे बलदेव प्रभु he holds the plow and also Baladev Prabhu hold the club. Why? Because Baladev Prabhu, he cultivate the heart of all the living entities with his plow. And our plug, what is the plug? And because destroy all the anarthas from the heart of the living entities. And because conditional soul, so there are so many kinds of anarthas, understand, unwanted things, and Sarup Brahm, Hidaya Durbulla, Asat Krishna, and Aparad. And also Duskrita Anartha, Sukriti Utta Anartha, Bhakti Utta Anartha, and Aparad Utta Anartha. But mainly is Aparad Utta Anartha. So there are many kinds of offenses. But mainly is your Aparad. You committed offense, lotus feet of Vaishnav Aparad. Nam Aparad, understand? Apagata Radha Jasmat iti Aparad. Rad means priti, love and affection. Apa means and has gone away. That means if you have no love and affection with Guru, that is called Guru Aparad. If you have no love and affection with Harinam, that is called Nam Aparad. If you have no love and affection with Vaishnav, that is Vaishnav Aparad. Nam Aparad, Dham Aparad, Dhama Aparad. If you have no love and affection with Dham, that is called Dham Aparad. And Nam Aparad, Dham Aparad, Seva Aparad, and Vaishnav Aparad. And so now coming in this actual Baladev Prabhu, and he destroys all kinds of offenses and from the heart of the living entities. And so now coming in this way, Nityananda Prabhu sometimes he also completely absorbed in the mood of Baladev Prabhu. And he loudly and asked the people, Kanai Krishna. And sometimes Baladev Prabhu, Nityananda, he asked the people, where is Kanai? Now time is over, we have to go herding the cows. And hey Kanai, where are you? Where are you? Sometimes he asked the Pujari of the temple. But Pujari is thinking, oh, he is a madman and also maybe crazy and kicked out. Then Baladev Prabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, he was rolling on the ground and crying loudly. And he Kanai, 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 Kanai. In the meantime, the aerial sound came from the sky and told, hey, Nitai, now Krishna appeared in Navadvip Dham in the form of Gaura Sundar. So you have to go Navadvip Dham. Navadvip Dham is the topmost Dham. If you go Navadvip Dham, all your sinful will be destroyed. Without the mercy of Navadvip, any method, you cannot attain to Vrindavan Dham. Aradhito Navanam Vrindavanam Sti Naradhito Navanam Vrindavanam Evo Duri Aradhito Dijasutam Brajanagaraste Naradhito Dijasutam Natabeha Krishna Aradhito Navavanam. That means one who worships Navadvip Dham will be attained in Vrindavan Dham. Are those who are not worship Navadvip Dham, any method they cannot attain Vrindavan Dham. Aradhito Dujasita. That means one who worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the son of Jagannath Mishra, that is called Dijasuta. Then he will easy to attain to Krishna. Or Naradhito Dujasuta, Nataviha Krishna. If you not worship to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, any method you cannot attain to Krishna, who is the beloved of the gopis. So that means Navadvip Dham and Navadvip Chandra Suchirandan Gaurhari, the topmost. So everybody first worship Gaur Dham and Gaura Sundar. So in this way, the aerial sound came and told, hey, Nitai, now your brother Krishna appeared in Navadvip Dham in the form of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Then Nityananda Prabhu immediately he ran towards Bengal, Navadvip Dham, and he came in the house of Nandan Acharya. This very nice, beautiful, sweet Leela. And that day Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, very early in the morning, he told all his followers, for today one very nice dream had come. One sadhu has come in our Navadvip Dham, and he was sitting very nice, beautiful, and golden chariot, and he hold the what is called plow, and he always indicate his fingers towards my house, and he asked, oh, this is the house of Nimai Pandit, Nimai Pandit, and then he disappeared. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told all his followers, all you go and search, where is that the Mahaprabhu, where is that Mahapurush? So from morning to midday, everybody, they were searching and every houses, but they could not find out. And they reported to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we did not find out any Mahapurush who has come in our village. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to them, come with me. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in the house of Nandan Acharya. That time Nityananda Prabhu, he was sitting and closed his eyes and meditate. Because Nityananda is thinking, he Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and he is Krishna. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Krishna is my brother. He must come in this house and also bring in his house. And Nityananda Prabhu ye vichar karne lage, ye Gaur Sundar have to come in my house and have to bring in his house. For this regard, Nityananda Prabhu, he closed his eyes and meditated. In the meantime, Gaur Sundar, he came and seated in front of Nityananda Prabhu. Then time Nityananda Prabhu, he opened his eyes and eyes to Gaur Sundar and Nityananda. Then Gaur Sundar and Nityananda, they embraced to each others and tears rolling down. Then Gaur Sundar also brought him in his house. But Nityananda Prabhu and always absorbed in what is called Avadut. Avadut, understand? Avadut means those are not following any rules and regulations. And as like small baby. And sometimes he also put his cloth on his head, and sometimes eating, sometimes not eating, laughing, joking, rolling on the ground. This is the stage of prema dasha. And evam prata sapranama kritva jatanu ragu dutut ucce hasati atho rodoti ruto roti gana unmadhavat nityati lokavaj. In the prema dasha, Nityananda Prabhu in this way. But sometimes Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he told Nityananda, you are staying in my house. In my house, my wife is here, but you are not following the rules. This is not good. And for this guy, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought him in the house of Srivas Thakur. Srivas Thakur's wife, Malini Devi, she also nourished to Nityananda Prabhu as like her son. So Nityananda Prabhu, he was staying in the house of Srivas Thakur. So, but Nityananda Prabhu, and most of the time also absorbed and in the mood of Baladev Prabhu. And once Malini Devi, the wife of her name, Srivas Thakur, and she put the ghee lamp. Then in the meantime, one crow came, and crow took and flew away. Then Malini Devi, she cried, and then Nityananda Prabhu told, oh my mother, don't cry. I will bring your ghee lamp. Then Nityananda Prabhu, he loudly told, hey crow, bring the ghee lamp. Then in crow, he brought the ghee lamp and offered to Malini Devi. Here our Acharya explained in this way. Actually, Nityananda Tattva, that is called also Guru Tattva. And when we discuss about Guru Tattva, Lord, he resides, Lord, he manifested in four forms. And Guru Tattva is what? Four types of Guru. One is called Diksha Guru, Shiksha Guru, Bhartma Guru, and Chaita Guru. Or another Guru also called Bhajan Shiksha Guru. So now coming in this way, and the Chaita Guru means who resides in the heart of the living entities in the form of Paramatma, Super Soul. And Super Soul, he resides in the heart of all the living entities. When living entities and what is called his Sukriti were matured and accumulated, then Chaita Guru, he will be give inspiration in the heart how to develop his bhajan and sadhan. So in Srimad Bhagavatam also explained Chaita Guru Bapusha. Chaita Guru is very important. Chaita Guru who resides in the heart of the living entities, Paramatma, Chaita Guru. And Chaita Guru also gives inspiration in our heart how to attain and Sadguru. This is the process. So now coming in this way, so Paramatma, that means Chaita Guru, who resides in the heart of the crow. So we have Baladev Prabhu is the origin Guru Tattva. That means Nityananda Tattva, Nityananda Prabhu. He called the crow. Then crow, he brought the ghee lamps and offered to Malini Devi. And so Nityananda Prabhu, he always performed Nam Sankirtan in the house of Srivas Thakur and with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu every day he performed Nam Sankirtan in the house of Srivas Thakur. That time Haridas Thakur, Nityananda, Advaita Acharya, Gadadhar, and others. And they perform Nam Sankirtan and Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Then once Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Nityananda and Haridas, Sono Sono Nityananda, Sono Haridas, Amar Aggai Sarvatra Karaha Prachar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Nityananda, hey Haridas, listen my advice. You have to preach Nam Sankirtan. So according to the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas, they also preach Nam Sankirtan. But Nityananda Prabhu, he thinking first I start my Nam Sankirtan from cemetery and Sasan Bhumi, graveyard place. And but in the graveyard place, Sasan Bhumi, fasting Jogai and Madhai and two drunkards. They drank alcohol. Actually, their name is original name Jagadananda Bandyopadhyay, and they were born in high class Brahman family. And but they drank lot of alcohol. Pitva pitva javat na drink until you fell down on the ground. बोले कब तक शराब पीना है? जब तक तुम जमीन पर गिर ना जाए और मूर्छित ना हो जाए. Here drink means usual. So now coming to Jogai Madhai, they drank lot of alcohol. And in the and Chaitanya, according to instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Haridas Thakur and Nityananda Prabhu, they chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Then Jagai Madhai, Jagananda Bandyopadhyay and Madhavananda Bandyopadhyay, they become very angry. Why you are chanting this name, an inauspicious name? Because people that time was thinking chanting holy names and Hare Krishna, that is called inauspicious. Why? Because people are chanting holy names and when anybody died, कोई जब लोग मर जाते हैं, उसके मृतधर शरीर के जो है शमशान में जलाने के समय ये नाम करते हैं. And कुछ वैष्णव संप्रदाय है, some Vaishnavas, they also taking money from Grihastha and doing Nam Sankirtan in the place of Samsan Bhumi, when that dead body is burning, and they are playing mridanga and chanting holy names. So for this regard, Jagai and Madhai, they asked to Nityananda Prabhu Haridas, why you are chanting holy names in here? They become very angry because they drank lot of alcohol and they attract to Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur. And that time Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur, they ran away. But Haridas Thakur is a little bit fat. And Nityananda a little bit skinny. So Nityananda was very quick and ran away, and Haridas Thakur a little bit fat. For this Haridas Thakur and not what is called ran away very fast, Then anyhow they came back from the cemetery place, and that time they then Haridas Thakur he told, why Nityananda first start to preaching Nam Sankirtan in cemetery place, and they where the people are drinking alcohol, these things, and that time Advaita Acharya he told, oh today they drank the alcohol, who Jagai and Madhai, maybe tomorrow they will be drink Harinamamritam, drink the sweet nectar of Nam Sankirtan. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, okay, next day you have to go. Then Nityananda Prabhu and Haridas Thakur came in the same place and chanted holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And वो तो 6:30 बजे जाना है, अभी क्या करेंगे? 5:30, अभी तो 5:30, अभी तो 5:15 हुआ है. हाँ. अच्छा, और जब 5 minutes. So that time Jagai Madhai, they become very angry. And that time, I think Jagai, Jagai, he also took the clay pot and hit it on the head of Nityananda Prabhu. Then blood come out. And anyhow, Lord Chaitanya Prabhu heard, then the blood came out from the forehead of Nityananda Prabhu. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very angry. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he called his Sudarshan Chakra. Then Sudarshan Chakra came. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is Krishna. And Sudarshan Chakra came. Then Nityananda Prabhu, he hold the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, told Prabhu, in this incarnation of your Gaura avatar, you already promised and took oath. You will not hold any weapons. And so please give forgiveness. And forgiveness is the great virtue. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu sent his son Chakra in Vaikuntha. And then Mahaprabhu asked, and who gave mercy? And I will give mercy. And because Madhai, he hold and to Jagai, who hit head of Nityananda Prabhu. So for this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave mercy to Madhai. And that time he told, oh, you give mercy to me, not another. You cannot discriminate to other. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave mercy to Madhai also, Jagai and Madhai. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu, they delivered Jagai and Madhai. And so in this way, Nityananda Prabhu is called the embodiment of Prema Avatar also. Because without the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, any method, we cannot receive the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nitai Karuna Have, Braja Radha Krishna Prabhu, Dharo Nitai Charana Dukhani. Arnatam Das Thakur explained very carefully, hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu, then you attain to Golok, Vrindavan, and receive the mercy of Srimati Radhika. And very soon Nityananda is Abadhup. And once Nityananda Prabhu told to Gaur Sundar, come with me and will take darshan to Sadhu. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came with Nityananda Prabhu and crossed the Jabuna, came one Sadhu's house, Sadhu's cottage, and and that time this Sadhu, he also prepared many kinds of preparation and for Gaur Sundar and Nityananda. They prepared and gave many kinds of food in the plate of Nityananda Prabhu and Gaur Sundar. And the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not eat, just seated. Nityananda Prabhu, he ate everything. And and almost Nityananda Prabhu's plate finished. And then and that sadhu and asked the one lady, bring what is called um, Ananda, Ananda. Ananda, understand? Ananda, Ananda. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked to Nityananda, what is the meaning of Ananda? Nityananda, he traveled all over the India and he met with different sadhu. He knows the different sadhu's language. Eh? So Nityananda, he told, he Ananda means alcohol. Because some kinds of sadhu, they also drink alcohol. That is called Dari Sannyasi. And some this is okay. And then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, this is the sadhu. And so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he jumped in the Ganges and crossed the Ganges and ran away. But Nityananda Prabhu, he ate all the foods in the house of Dari Sannyasi. Because not Chaitanya, Nityananda Prabhu, he is called Avadhut. And once one classmate of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, hey, Gaurasundar, I have faith with you because you followed all the rules and regulations. But I have no faith with Nityananda. That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, oh my friend, listen very confidential things that is called Veda Goppa, very confidential things of Vedas. Actually, you don't know Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda is Krishna saying Bhagavan, Who is Bhagavan? He is called the beyond of all rules and regulation. Eh? Understand? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Nityananda is Bhagavat Tattva. And listen, as a Bhagavan, he drank the what is called fire. Eh? But original people cannot drink the fire. And Krishna he drank fire, and that is called in Vrindavan, Krishna he drank what is called fire and Agni Bhakshan. Understand? And also Nityananda, what is called Krishna. And Krishna he also danced on the hoods of Kaliya. And Krishna he lifted Giriraj Govardhan. For this regard, and you cannot criticize to Krishna, who is the supreme personality of Goddess and Bhagavan. So in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, and oh my classmate, listen very carefully. And Nityananda, he is called Bhagavat Tattva. Who is Bhagavan? He is the beyond of all the rules and regulation. And Jathavanne, if you put any kinds of things in the fire, fire will be burned and fire always pure. In the same way, Ishwar, Bhagavat Mahaprabhu told, and Nityananda Prabhu is Bhagavan Sakshat, Bhagavan is a direct manifestation of Krishna. Actually, this is what the Tattva Siddhanta is there, and Krishna is one, but his manifestation of Baladev Prabhu. Baladev Prabhu is non-different from Krishna, and true body is but one soul, and ek deha and those saris, and in this way, and and Baladev Prabhu is non-different from Krishna. Only Kai Matra Bhed. And Krishna is got blackish and Baladev Prabhu is white complexion, fresh complexion. And Krishna he holds and what is called Venu and flute, or Baladev Prabhu he plays the Shinga. And in Braj, Baladev Prabhu and also he holds and the phone and singer. And what in Dwarka or Mathura, and Krishna he and holds and what is called and no Krishna and what is called no, Sudarshan Chakra, Shankha Chakra Gada there, and 4 arms, and our Baladev Prabhu and is very powerful in there also. So Baladev Prabhu is now is appeared in Kali Yuga in the form of Nityananda Prabhu. And these things. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, and ye Baladev Prabhu, he is Bhagavat Tattva. And so don't criticize to Baladev. And Baladev Prabhu also Guru Tattva. And without Baladev Prabhu's mercy, no one can attain to Krishna. So in the same way, without this mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, will not attain to Gaur Sundar. So in this Leela, we see when Raghunath Das Goswami met with Nityananda Prabhu in Panihati, and that time Nityananda Prabhu he told to Raghunath, "Oh, you are thief. Thief means you want to steal my property, and that means Nityananda's property that is called Gaur Sundar. And without the permission of Nityananda Prabhu, you cannot receive the mercy of Gaura Sundar. Nitayir Karuna Habe. When we receive this mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then we will receive the mercy of and Nityananda Prabhu. He also always served to Gaura Sundar. Where is Nityananda? That is Gaura Sundar. Where is Gaura Sundar? That is Nityananda. Because Abhinna Tattva, non-different is Gaura Sundar and Nityananda. And so when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was staying in Jagannath Puri, And Nityananda Prabhu, every year he used to come and stay with him. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, hey Nityananda, you have to preach in Bengal. And especially the devotees, they are suffering from me. So you have to go in Navadvip Dham. But Nityananda Prabhu cannot tolerate separation from Gaur Sundar. So every year he used to come in Jagannath Puri and meet with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And so there are so many Leelas, Nityananda Prabhu and Gaura Sundar. And so now the time is over. So we have to, maybe later we'll speak about Nityananda Tattva. Nitai Joy Nityananda. Nityananda Prabhu is very mercy. He also raised his finger and he told, Jathishtir Bhrato Kuru Hari Hari Meha. Oh my brother and sister, all you just chant holy names. I am taking and to I am taking my responsibilities to deliver you from the from this material world. Just to chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In this Kali Yuga, we cannot perform any kinds of bhajan sadhana, only Nam Sankirtan. And Lord manifest, invested all his potential in Nam Sankirtan. So Nityananda Prabhu, he promised, oh my brother and sister, just to chant holy names, I will deliver you from this ocean of the material existence. So everybody chant holy names. And Prati Ghare Ghare Gya Mage Bhikha Bala Krishna Bhaja Krishna Kara Krishna Siksha. Nityananda Prabhu, he used to go house to house and hold the blade of grass under his teeth and asking, oh my brother and sister, give some donation. What donation? Every chant holy names, Nam Sankirtan. And not others. No money, no rice, dal, and nothing. Only you also give me and Harinam. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Okay, now where will go? Huh? On society. Oh, he invited me. Okay, maybe. Huh? Okay, now we'll go. Okay, Hare Krishna.